Alright, so I want to talk about this topic today kasi last night no sa isang live stream ko, uh, this question came up and yun, natry ko naman siya sagutin as best as I can and I want to share with you my thoughts or insight about it. No? So, ngayon nga, di ba, medyo marami nga nagtatanong about going into music school and people think na yun nga madali siya but there's a lot of sacrifices that you need to give. Now, isa sa mga common problems din is paano mo mapapapayag yung parents mo na papasukin ka sa music school. Kasi if we're being honest, no, yung tuition fee, for example, is not cheap. It's not cheap to get into music school. So, whether magbabayad ka ng tuition, maging scholar ka, of course, yung scholarship na yan comes with a price, no? Yung skills that you need to gain in order to avail free education is not also free, to be honest, no? So, yan. So, try natin sagutin yung topic na yan. Okay, so mahirap talaga papayagin yung magulang no para pumasok kayo sa isang bagay na hindi rin nila fully naiintindihan. If you're coming from a family of non-musicians, most likely it would be hard for them to understand what you really want and what you're gonna get out of it. Kasi kahit nga yung mga musiko, no, I have my colleagues' parents, no, isipin mo family of musicians sila, they didn't really encourage their kids to get into music schools kasi nga alam nila kung gaano kahirap yung mga sakripisyong pagdadaanan mo, the financial side of it, the uncertainty or the yung pagiging unstable ng mga income ng mga musicians, no, kasi kasama talaga yan eh. Of course, hindi natin maalis sa minds ng parents natin na they just want what's best for you, no? And if they think na hindi magiging magandang career path yung pagiging musician, and as musicians then they're not wrong and they're not right. Parang it's a very gray area. We could say that na okay, pwedeng tama kayo, pwedeng mali kayo, pero sino magsasabi nun in the future, di ba? Parang gano'n. Of course, lalo na marami akong nakikita din na magka-college na, di ba? Papasok ka ng music school, pero wala naman talagang background sa music. Mahirap sabihin sa parents mo na, gusto ko mag-music eh. Kasi gusto ko matutong kumanta. No? Ganun kasi yung most of the time, yung mga hindi pinapayagan ng parents nila. Kasi wala ka talagang specialization. Sabi nga natin, college education is about specializing in the skill or in a discipline na gusto mong aralin. So, kuwari, wala ka naman talagang background sa music, I don't think your parents would want you to go into a college na music yung course. Kasi ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, growing up, wala ka namang ngayon mo lang naisip, di ba? So, yun yung mga tao na hindi talaga papayagan. Kahit ako magulang mo, kahit musiko ako, no? Tapos nakita ko na wala kang hilig, tapos biglang sinabi mo, papapasukin kita sa music school. Anong future yung meron ka, di ba? And of course, ibang usapan din naman kapag may training ka na kasi mas madali na sa'yo makapasok. Although, yun nga, naikwento ko sa live ko last time na I know some people na they had good training growing up pero when the time comes na sinabi na nila sa parents nila na gusto ko mag-music, hindi pa rin sila pinayagan. No? So, mahirap talaga timplahin eh, di ba? Pero, that's how life is eh. Minsan mga bagay that is not meant for us or maybe in a different time or season in our lives makukuha din natin. Kaya music naman in general is universal in a way. And also, it doesn't mean na hindi mo siya nakuha ang course nung college ka or a program. Doesn't mean na hindi ka na pwede maging musician. 'Di ba? Pwede namang may day job ka, may iba ka pang ginagawa, and you can still make music. Yun din yung kagandahan niya. No? I know a lot of people na they have different professions, lawyer na musician, doctor na musician, engineer pero musician din, no, at the same time, no. It's not sabi ko nga, 'di ba, music is more of a lifestyle or something na sinasabuhay mo rather than just a career, no? So, maraming pwedeng options pa. Now, babalik tayo dun sa your parents know what's best for you. I just remember this quote kasi I know I went to a master class with a famous cellist, no, in the US na they talked about this pricing and all about these things na about the stability of the craft, no. Sabi niya nga, if we're being honest, no, your parents don't really know what's best for you. Kasi ikaw din mismo, hindi mo rin naman alam what's best for you. You're just working with whatever you feel is right, diba? So, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin dapat mag-decide. Kasi, what if di ka nga payagan ng parents mo, tapos papasok ka sa isang bagay na hindi mo naman gusto talaga, diba? That's also a waste of time and money. So, you also have to think, pag mag-music ba ako, magbubunga ba to? Pag pumasok ba ako dito, may enjoy ko ba? And will I make it a career? Kasi ang hirap din talaga, no? It's a hard decision to make. But, we don't know what's best for us, really. Yun yung totoo nun. Yung parents natin, they think, they know na, magganitong course ka, wag music kasi walang pera dyan. Laging ganun yung sinasabi, diba? That's very common. But, in any discipline, in any industry, kung hindi mo talaga gusto yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka naman magkakapera dyan eh. Diba? Hindi ka kikita. Because you won't give it your best. So, ako masasuggest ko, kung talagang gusto nyo pilitin yung parents nyo, or you really want to pursue it as a career, as a degree, is bago ka pa pumasok, pagpursigihan mo na. Find ways, mag-ipon ka sa baon mo, humanap ka ng mentor, matutulungan ka, mag-lessons ka. If your parents are supporting your lessons, show them na meron niyang iba pang balik sa kanila. Hindi yung enroll mo sa ganito, tapos di ka rin naman magpo-practice, Parang pinagbigyan ka na, if you are one of the lucky ones given the opportunity to study music, diba? Huwag mo sayangin. Ako, I'm really thankful na kami, my brother and I, we were given the opportunity to grow as musicians at an early age, and our parents supported us all the way through, kahit naman, 'di ba? Syempre, scholarships and all, nakuha namin 'yon, pero kung hindi sila nagbayad ng lessons namin when we were younger, we won't be able to get those scholarships at all. Diba? Yung free education came from years of sacrifice, kasi you want to get the best quality education, di ba? Pupunta pa kami Manila to get lessons and all. So, maswerte ako. I could always say that my parents really helped us out to nurture yung talent and skill na meron kami. And a lot of people can't say that, pero if you have the will, there's always a way. Lahat ng bagay posible as long as you put it in your head na kakayanin mo. And, you have to show the people that will support you. Kasi hindi ka naman susuportahan kung hindi ka nila makikita ng potential. Diba? So, it's always best to know what you want, fight for it, Pero syempre, at a certain point, kung talagang hindi para sa'yo, mararamdaman mo yun. Pero, again, this is just my opinion on it. Pwedeng iba rin yung masabi ng ibang tao. So, sana nakatulong to in making your decisions, in helping you pursue a career in the music industry. So, good luck sa inyo.